Hi guys, today will be the Linux day 4. So we have already completed Linux day 3, day 2 and day 1 and I have already updated in the channel. You can check out that videos and today we are going to discuss about Linux day 4. Okay, and I already created a EC2 instance. I will going to show you practical as well. So if you don't know how to create this EC2 instance, you can follow the previous videos and you will get. Now let's come to the day 4. Okay, I will start from beginning. So you know about this directory structure, right? Which is very important. I will come from starting. So yesterday we have discussed about environment variable and shell variable, right? Shell is a temporary variable and it will temporarily stores variables. So yesterday we already discussed. Go through that. Okay. I just given topic equal to Linux. Whenever I relog in into the server, my whenever I execute echo topic, I'm not getting any values because shell is a temporary variable. Another one was environmental variable. This is also like shell, but it's not little bit different. So whenever you edit to this etc/environment file, then your whatever the name you have assigned it will remains constant. Okay, there is one more important environmental variable which is path, right? Path variable which we need to discuss. Right now I will going to discuss. So if you execute echo $path, this is the path. Now I will going to explain you this by example. Okay, and how Windows will be having a notepad like Linux also you will be having editor. You need to learn this VI editor. So before showing practical, I will go to okay openvim.com. Right, if you don't know how to like play with VI editor, you can go here and this is the tutorial website, right? How VI editor will work and all. So hello, I am in interactive Vim tutorial. I will teach you what Vim is about without hassle. Right? If you are in a if you right like that, you can go through this. Okay, you can practice this. Now I will go and log in into this VM. Okay, yes. Okay, now I will try to show you environmental variable. For that, I will install one basic software which is Terraform. Right? If you want any type of trainings, you can call me. Right? Which is number was already provided. You can see here. Right? You can call me or you can send me an email, or in the description also you can find my contact number for live classes on Devops. Okay, Terraform installation. No, I will install Terraform. Yeah, I will go to official website. Okay, not this. I will search install Terraform. Okay, I will select Linux. Not this. Yeah, I will try to copy the link address. Okay, before that I will just execute sudo apt install unzip. Okay, using wget I will download this package, nothing but zip file. Now I will unzip this file. Okay, If you enter ls, you can see Terraform folder. Now what I will do, I will try to create a new folder called as Terraform exec. I will move this. So what is this move command? It will move file or it will rename, right? I will move this Terraform to Terraform. Sorry, I will move this to Terraform exec. ls. I want to move this Terraform to this folder Terra. Okay. Now if I want to see the Terraform version, I need to execute Terraform underscore exec TRRO, sorry, Terraform hyphen version. Right, you can able to see the version. But if I enter directly Terraform hyphen version, it will throw an error, right? Command Terraform not found. Why? Because my Terraform was not in the path variable. If you enter echo $path, so whenever any software if you install, right, even if you are installing using zip files, so how to install softwares which we are going to discuss in upcoming sessions, you no need to worry about it, right? Whatever softwares you are going to install in Linux, it should be in the path variable, then only you can able to find it and you need to execute and you can play with that software. Now what I will do, I will try to add that path. Okay, slash home slash ubuntu slash terraform exec colon dollar path. So what is the meaning? I am just linking this folder path to the original path so that it will be added to the path variable. Now I will execute terraform hyphen version, right? Now it's working, right? This is called it as a path, and you can see the predefined variables, which is nothing but using set. You can see the environmental variables, which is system related environmental variables. Okay, now I will come to the slide, right? Now let's come to another slide. Linux useful tools, right? If you want to know which cell are you working, you can execute echo $0, then it will display, right? And one more thing in Linux, if you want to abort or suspend any execution in Linux program, if you execute Control G, it will suspend the program. Nothing but it will stop the program. If you see Control C, it will terminate the program. Right, I will show you practically. Right, don't worry. If you want to redirect any output in Linux, that is also possible. Okay, pointer option. You need to give greater than symbol and the file name. Then automatically whatever the output you are getting, that output will be saved in this text file. Right? If you want to append, you can use double greater than. So if you want to redirect input as well, you can do that. So now let's try to do this slide practical part. Echo $0, right? I told you right in the first session itself, most commonly used shell or the bash shell on every distribution. So if you execute, if you want to check which shell you are using, you can execute echo $0, then it will display the shell which you are working. Now what I will do, I will do ping google.com. Okay, if I execute control Z, stop, right, it is going to stop the program, right? If let me google it again, ping google.com. If I execute control C, it will terminate the program, nothing but it's forcefully terminate. Okay, now if I want to redirect google.com, right, I'm getting 4 times google.com. If I want to redirect this output to a text file, right, ping test.txt. Okay, now I will not see any output, right? Whatever the output, it will redirect to a text file. I will cat this text, whatever the text file I have created. Okay, enter. Okay, it will display the content inside a file, right? You can see, right, I'm getting the content. Now what I will do, ping -c4, I will give c2. So if you use single greater than, right, it will go and replace the values, right? Before that there is 4, but now it is replacing the 2. Now what I will do, I will give double greater than. What is the meaning of this double greater than? I will, in the place of 2, I will give 4. After that I will cat this file. Okay, if you use double greater than, it will not going to replace this file. It will just add 2 more lines, like -c4, right? It will add the 4 related content at the bottom of this. So that's the beauty of this double greater than. But if you use single greater than, total value will be replaced. Let me show you the example of single greater than. Okay, now I will add this. Now total values will be removed and only 2 will be there, right? If you want to add bottom of this file, you need to use double greater than. If you use single greater than, it will try to remove all the content inside a file and replace the newer content. Okay, I hope you got clarity. If you want to redirect the input, that is also possible. Okay, I will display only 10 for that slash proc slash CPU info, right? It is displaying the top 10 lines. So for input, you need to use less than. Okay, less than symbol for input. Now let's come to another slide. I will show you the most common errors in Linux. Okay, touch A by B, right? No such file or directory, right? What is the meaning of this? What I'm doing, I'm going to add a file inside A, so there is no directory. That's the reason it is throwing an error. Okay, and there is one more thing, was permission denied. What I will do, echo hello I will redirect this to slash etc slash resolve.conf, right? Permission denied. Okay, now I will create one text file, touch1.txt. Now I will execute cd1.txt. This is a file. Okay, I know this, but I am doing intentionally, right? No such file or directory. Okay, now 1.txt, not a directory, right? My text, it's a text file. That's the reason you got a not a directory. So like this, there will be some most common errors in Linux, right? Whatever I know, I just shown you. Like that, you will be having multiple errors, right? There will be no space left on the device. Permission denied, no such file or directory, file exists, not a directory, is a directory. Like this, you will be having multiple errors, but I have just shown you the most commonly errors which we get on day-to-day basis. Okay, and this is very important. Then we need to discuss about this soft link and hard link. Okay, soft link is nothing but, if you see, if I want to open any software, there will be some shortcut, right? There will be some shortcut will be there. Okay, using that shortcut, we can directly double click and open the application. Yes or no? In the same way, in Linux also there will be a short link, right? Which is called as soft link. And in Linux there will be two types of link. One is soft link, another one was hard link. Okay, now I will come to the slides. So soft link is an actual link to original file. I told you, right? Shortcut. So soft link is an actual link to original file, whereas hard link is a mirror copy of original file. So what is the difference between the soft link and hard link? I will show you practically. You don't need to worry. So in the soft link, if you delete the original file, soft link has no value because it's a shortcut, right? Shortcut for the original file. Automatically this shortcut also, if you see in Linux, sorry, in Windows, if you uninstall any software, if there is any shortcut related to that software, it will throw an error, right? Not found. In the same way, here also the same. Here we will play with terminals. You will get an error. So if you delete the original file, hard link will still have the data, right? This is the advantage of hard link. Hard link is a mirror copy. If you delete original file, hard link file will not have any failure. It will work. Okay. So coming to soft link, it will cross the file systems. It will allows you to link between directories as well, right? Permissions will not be updated. So as only the path to original file, not contents. So these are the restrictions which kept by soft link. So hard link cannot cross between system boundaries. It can't link directories. Soft link can able to link the directories, but in hard link cannot link directories. Here permission will be updated. Right, in the hard link you will be having contents of original file. So this is the soft link example. If you see, I have created one new folder called as soft test. I have gone inside this folder. I have created one demo.txt file with this content, Devops easy. So whenever I cat this, I got this content. So in order to create a soft link, the command will be ln-s file name and the shortcut which you want to create. Right? Whenever you enter ls, you can see the shortcut. A link was created, short link. Okay. But if you delete the demo.txt which is created original file, whenever you cat the shortcut link, it will show no such file or directory because you have directly deleted the demo.txt which is original file. This original file is just a link for this demo.link. nothing but a shortcut. So automatically if the original file is removed, this shortcut will also not work out, right? But completely opposite was hard link, right? I have created one folder, hard test. I've gone inside that folder. Okay, then I just added one demo.txt file. So if you want to create a hard link, for short link you need to use ln-s. For hard link you just need to use ln and file name and what are the shortcut link you want to create, right? And you can see the permissions, you can change the permissions, but here you can't change. Okay, okay, and one more important question people will ask, right? Okay, hard link is a mirror copy of a link. What is the difference between this copied file and hard link? So cp, using cp command you can copy a files, right? So what I did, I just created a source file. Using source file I've created a shortcut. Then after I've done the same source file a copy, right? Hard link is a mirror shortcut, right? But copied file is just a normal copy. So whenever I added a content inside this hard link, right? Whenever I cat that hard link and cat that source, my content was added. If for copied file, the content will not be added because copied is just a copy. That's the difference. In hard link, it's a mirror copy. So whenever you update a original file, automatically hard link will also update it. But for the copied file, it's just a copy, right? That's the difference. And Linux directory structure, this is very important from the day one I'm telling, right? Slash root slash bin, your binary files will be present. Slash etc configuration files will be present. Slash home directory slash opt third party software will be present. Temporary files will be there. User information, variables. Yeah, if you want to support, you can scan this QR code and donate so that I will going to continue this tutorials. Okay, and you can ping me on, or you can call me. If you are from other countries, other apart from India, you can directly call me on WhatsApp. Try to save this number, call me directly on WhatsApp. If I am available online, I will try to respond, right? If you want any type of line training, one-to-one sessions, then only call me. Okay, so my Google Pay or Phone Pay number was 8500411773. So tomorrow also we are going to discuss some Linux commands and all. Okay, so let's meet again on tomorrow. Why tomorrow? I need to show you the soft link and hard link examples, right? So I will try to show you that soft link and hard link. Okay, I will try to create a new folder called as soft test. I will go inside this soft test folder. Here I will create one echo hello. I will create a new file called as soft. Okay, now I will create a shortcut ln-s soft.link. Okay, ls-la, right? My soft is the original file, soft link is the shortcut. So if I cat this soft, I have a original file. I will cat this soft.link as well. Okay, now I will remove the original file. If I cat this shortcut soft.link, it will throw an error, right? No such file or directory, because once your original file is deleted, there is no use of a shortcut, right? In the Windows also, like if I installed Google Chrome, right? If I have a shortcut of this Google Chrome, whenever I click on it, it will throw an error, right? There is no Chrome was present in this system. So same like that. And there is one more thing was hard link. So I will come out of this mkdir hard link. cd hard link. Here I will try to create one file, hello, okay, hard. Okay, now I will create for hard link you don't need to use ln-s, just ln is enough. ln hard dot link. So using original file I'm creating a shortcut, that's it. Right, cat hard, okay, cat hard dot link. Okay, I will try to add echo more content double bracket double greater than, right? I told you, right, if you want to add below, right below the file, inside the file you can use, right, if I cat, so it will add at the below. If you use single bracket, single greater than, it will try to remove and replace, right? Now comes to hard link. Now I will delete this hard. Okay, if I hard dot link, right, my content was there. Even though if I deleted the original file, my hard link file was still working and it was present. So that's the beauty of this hard link. That is the difference between this soft link and hard link. Okay, so if I copy this, so what is the copy? Copy is just a copied content file, right? Hard link is a mirror image. That's the reason your content will be present, and your what whenever you add any content in the original file, it will reflect in the hard link file as well, because it's a link between the two files. But copy, it's just a copy, it will not have any link, right? So in upcoming sessions we are going to discuss more on this Linux, right? After practicing, what you need to do, just terminate this EC2 instance. Okay, just click on this instance state, terminate after practicing. Okay, let's meet again on the next video. If you are liking this, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you.